In this session, we will be finding the equations x on y and y on x when the arithmetic mean of both x and y is given, standard deviation of both x and y is given, and the correlation coefficient is also given. After finding the x on y and y on x equation, we will be estimating the value of x when y is given and then estimating the value of y when x is given. So let us start. The equation which we will be using is x minus x bar equal to r sigma x upon sigma y multiplied by y minus y bar for x on y, and for y on x it will be y minus y bar equal to r multiplied by sigma y upon sigma x multiplied by x minus x bar. So in this case, if you could see the problem, all the values has been given. You have to just substitute in the given equation. So let us start with x on y. I have already written over here. So it is x minus x bar, and x bar is what? 36 equal to 0.66 multiplied by 11 by 8 and multiplied by y minus 85. So let us find the value of 11 by 8. It is coming to be 1.375. So let us find the value of 0.66 multiplied by, so let me make it to the two decimal points. Let me make this to two decimal points. Okay. So it becomes 38, and this I'm getting it as 0.9075. Again, I'm converting it into two decimal points. Okay. So the equation becomes x minus 36 equal to 0.91 multiplied by y minus 85. Okay. Now let us expand this equation. So it will be x minus 36 equal to 0.91 y minus. Okay. Now here let us calculate this particular component. So it will be 0.91 multiplied by 85. Okay. It is coming to be 77.35. So it becomes 77.35. So let us take the constants to the other side. So it will be x equal to 0.91 y minus 77.35 plus 36. Okay. So here it is x equal to. Now this is again you need to find the value over here. So it becomes minus 77.35 plus 36. So how much it is coming to be? It is coming to be minus 41.35. Okay. So the equation becomes x equal to 0.915 minus 41.35. Okay. So this is what is the equation which is required which has been asked us to solve. So this is the equation which we got. Okay, now what we need to do? Now we need to estimate the value of x when y equal to 75. Okay, the question part second. So here the only thing is what you need to just substitute the value over here in the same equation. So we will put it like this: x equal to 0.91y. Okay, and the y has been given here as 75. So you need to put the value of 75. Let us put a bracket over here, minus 41.35. Okay, so it is coming to be, let us make the font size 12 so you will get more clarity. So this is what is the answer is. Okay, so the answer x equal to 26.9 when the value of y is given as 75. Okay, in similar manner, what we are going to do is now we will be calculating y on x. Okay, so y on x, it will be y minus y bar. And how much is y bar? Y bar is 85. Okay, so it will be 85 equal to r. R is given as 0.66. R multiplied by, okay, it is sigma y upon sigma x. Okay, so it is 8 by 11, isn't it? So it will be 8 divided by 11 multiplied by x minus x bar, and the x bar given is 36. Okay, the step remains same. Now let us take 8 by 11. So it is 8 by 11. It is coming to be 0.72. That is 0.73. Okay. Now the next part which we are doing here is 0.66 multiplied by 0.73. So it is coming to be 0.48. So it becomes y minus 85 equal to 0.48 x minus, okay, 48 minus, like here again you need to multiply this, so it will be 0.48 multiplied by minus 36. It is coming to be minus 17.28. Okay, so it becomes minus 17.28. Okay, I hope you are getting. Now this equation, if you simplify further, so it will become y equal to 0.48x minus 17.28 plus 85. Okay, so it is y equal to how much? Y equal to 0.486 plus 67.72. So this is y on x. Now you can find the value of y if x has been given, and here the x given is what? 80. Okay. So x equal to 80. So this equation becomes y equal to 0.48 multiplied by 80 plus 67.72. Okay. So this is what is the answer is. Okay, so in this session, we have seen how to find the value of x on y and y on x when arithmetic means and standard deviation and correlation coefficient is given, and how to estimate the value of x when y is given, and how to estimate the value of y when x is given. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session.